Latest on the transfer news, sanibona bafethu uVanele, so I'm back again with indaba zokwi-PSL. Amathima ayathenga, ingabeka ithimi iyathenga na. Njoba livuliwe nje iwindi bafethu namhlanje, amathima amaningi namhlanje enze ama-moves kwi-Betway Premiership. But-ke ngizoqala ngey'ndaba ey'hamba phambili la, iy'ndaba ey'regada umdlali we-Mamelodi Sundowns uLucas Ribeiro. Kune-club-ke bafethu yale e-Europe, i-club le kuthiwa i-club yase-Turkey, yabo. Kuthiwa they have identified uLucas Ribeiro as the key target after his performance at the FIFA Club World Cup, yabo. Azi-ke noMamelodi Sundowns izovuma yini ukumdedela uLucas Ribeiro because he's their key player. Uyabasiza ngempela ukuthi abadlalise kahle ku-Betway Premiership, uyabasiza futhi nakwi-CAF Champions League. Ingaba bazamdedela yini uLucas Ribeiro ayodlala le e-Europe, ayodlala le e-Turkey, yabo. Ngangitshela ama-comments regarding uLucas Ribeiro. Should Lucas Ribeiro continue and play his football le Europe, aqhubeke ayinikeze ithuba lokuthi ayodlalela arepresent iBrazil, noma kumele aqhubeke la eSouth Africa aqhakambise iMamelodi Sundowns? Kwezinye zey'ndaba kuthiwa Cape Town City head of sports science uLee Miles is heading to i-Orlando Pirates. Uyojoyina i-Orlando Pirates bafethu i-technical team ye-Orlando Pirates iyaqina ngempela right now. Kwezinye zey'ndaba ey'phuma namhlanje, Sekhukhune United have confirmed i-departure ya-goalkeeper uBadra Ali Sangare. Njengoba ngishilo-ke ey'nsukwini bafethu umjida ubeshiya iSekhukhune United. iSekhukhune sesimdedelile because asirenewanga i-contract yakhe. Kwezinye zey'ndaba ey'phuma namhlanje kuthiwa iDurban City FC are close to appointing the veteran coach uKevin Hunt as their new head coach. However, his former SuperSport United captain uThabo September has declined the offer to serve as the assistant coach yakhe, yabo. Kwezinye zey'ndaba engiyizwile laphana kuthiwa kuDurban City uyena ozoba i-head coach uKevin Hunt. Mase kuthi ku-technical team kube khona lo coach lo ade coacha i-Cape Town Spurs Ernest Middendorp. Yabo, Ernest Middendorp lo coach-ke lo wayecoacha i-Cape Town Spurs idlala kwi-Betway, wayi-relegator yale ku-NFD, nakhona futhi ufike ku-NFD wayi-relegator i-club yale ezansi kuyi-Motsepe. Right now iDurban City imbizile ukuthi ibe part of i-technical team yaKevin Hunt. Uyibona-ke abazobamba iqembu after they let go of uSimo Dladla. uSimo Dladla right now ukuMaZulu uyi-assistant coach ya-Atazwane lapha kuMaZulu, yabo. Kwezinye zey'ndaba engiyitholile kuthiwa a potential twist in Kopo and i-tax deal, yabo. iMagesi have made inquiries for uKwanele Kopo. Uma nikhumbula kahle-ke i-University of Pretoria ibisiyenzile ama-inquiries regarding uKwanele Kopo, yabo. Kuthiwa ama-tax postponed their unveiling yesterday due to Mr. G-Class Memorial, yabo. Tax have not given a new date for the unveiling. More on this. Indaba isazolandela regarding uKwanele Kopo with University of Pretoria, but-ke iMagesi interested ngempela uku-appointeni uKwanele Kopo to be their new head coach. Indaba iningi namhlanje njengoba nikhumbula-ke uSithole lo dlala ePortugal njengoba be-linked with i-Kaizer Chiefs. Mjida utravelile waya le ePortugal ngo-Monday. I-agent yakhe ibisishilo ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs iyenzile i-inquiry regarding uYaya Sithole, but-ke there have been no offer made eqhamuka ku-Kaizer Chiefs. i-Kaizer Chiefs ayikakayilethi i-offer kumdlali, ayikakalethi i-offer kwi-club ayidlalelayo uYaya Sithole, because mina ngikhumbula kahle uYaya Sithole ubeloniwe le ePortugal, yamlona i-club usebuyelile manje kwi-club, parent club yakhe, usezoseva unyaka wokugcina we-contract yakhe. But-ke i-Kaizer Chiefs ibisiyenzile i-inquiry regarding uYaya Sithole, but abakakanikezi i-formal offer, yabo. So i-Kaizer Chiefs kumele iyobhida for uYaya Sithole babone ukuthi batholana, but-ke abakakhulumi ne-club regarding ngakuyimali ukuthi bafuna ukhipha malini. Kaizer Chiefs kumele ikhiphe imali ukuze imthole uYaya Sithole, ngaze kufika amanye ama-club azoyi-hijacka le deal le. Kwezinye zey'ndaba nje, I'm sure senibonile ivideo bafethu SuperSport United have been sold to a Bloemfontein businessman for 50 million. The club will operate as a Celtic United bafethu. Zimbi indaba, but-ke we must accept as fans SuperSport United ayisekho, sekhona i-Celtic United izobidlala le eBloemfontein kanye neMarumo Gallants nayo izobe operator khona lapha. So iFree State izoba nama-club awu-2 adlala ku-Betway Premiership. Indaba ezimnandi lezi for ama-fans ase-Free State. Vele ibhola ayekade ligcinile ibhola eliqhamuka kwi-PSL. So kuzobajabulisa kakhulu ukuzwa le indaba lezi. Isiwelele siyabuya ngempela. Izindaba futhi iKaizer Chiefs namhlanje im-announceile uNkanyiso Shinga. Yabo uLukanyiso Shinga lo ngangikhuluma ngayo uthi iKaizer Chiefs iyamfuna. Isimtholile ngempela kumjito bedlala le ePortugal usebuyile bamtholile. Kwezinye indaba bafethu Ime Ocon usefikile eGermany. Yabo usefikile eGermany icontract yakhe uzoyiconclude namhlanje uzoshaya medical for iH96 iclub le edlala le eGermany kwiBundesliga 2. Dlala kwi-second division yeBundesliga lo mjito lo usezoya kudlala le kwiHannover 96. Ngimfisela okuhle engathi angaqhubeka liqhakambise iflag lase-South Africa. Yabo umjito ngempela uHugo Broos uzomconsider ngempela ukumbiza ayodlalela iBafana uma eqhumeka idlala kahle kanje. Useyodlala le eEurope right now. Kwezinye indaba engiyithole namhlanje kuthiwa iCape Town Spurs isithole ucoach omusha brand new coach bafethu uRoger Disa. Menikhumbula kahle ke uRoger Disa ube part of i-technical team adi khona lapha kwiCape Town City. Bathe nje behlathini wathi uRoger Disa cha ngicela ukubaleka la kuCape Town City engathi izinto zabheda kakhulu. Cape Town Spurs ikisithole ucoach omusha ozobasiza babuyele kwiNFD khona bezokwazi futhi ukuphinde babuyele kwiBetway Premiership. Umsebenzi omkhulu ke lo for uRoger Disa asazi noma uzokwazi yini ukuyisiza iUrban Warriors. Kuthiwa uqale iPre-season ngoLesibili ekseni. Kwindaba engiyithole namhlanje izinye bafuthu iRichards Bay FC sithole another goal scoring midfielder ena 24 years old edlala le eNamibia eclub ekuthiwa iAfrican Stars. Umjita ke bafethu kwisizini edlule uthole 7 assists namagoli awu15. Umdlali ngempela lo udlala ngempela ozoyisiza iRichards Bay. Yabo iRichards Bay isithole umdlalo omusha bafethu odlala ya position. Menikhumbula kahle uKotomela ke bamhambisile uKotomela uzojoin Chippa United njoba isizini izoqala. Kwezinye izindaba iKaizer Chiefs namhlanje futhi announce another player bengikhulumile ngayo uEdan Chislet. uEdan Chislet ke umdlalo obedlalela iAFC Wimbledon nePort Vale. Iphinde futhi iKaizer Chiefs kahle iKaizer Chiefs namhlanje announce abadlali abathathu. Yabo cause ngikhulumile ngoFabio Silva. Ngikhulumile umjito bedlala ngempela umjito uyistriker istriker esisha lesi after uChivaviro. Yabo they went in and signed another striker uzobe gqoka number 77 waseGuinea Bissau. Umjito uyadlala ngempela mhlawumbe omunye ambiza ngoOsimhen. Yabo une height umjito une physique yonto oyidinga kwistriker sakho leso. Namhlanje sikhukhuna esikhipha statement regarding abadlali abazohamba, regarding abadlali abazophelelwa ama contracts, regarding abadlali abazohamba babuyele kuma club abo. Njengoba bebikile la ngeke bawarenew ama contracts kaLloyd, kaZubao, mase kubuka aMahelo Sithole, mase kuba uMiguel Antonio Diaz. Yabo ama loan aphelile iloan kaSipho Mbule. Menikhumbula kahle ke uSipho Mbule uye kwiPirates. Yabo simsayine on a free transfer. Mase kubuka Katlego Ohladiso. Katlego Ohladiso umdlali wePirates lo besimlone kuSikhona United umjita. Asazi noma uzobuyela yini ngoOrlando Pirates noma iPirates uzodecide ukumdayisa. Yabo mutual separation is between uAlves Kangoso angikwazi ukupronounce leli gama nengixolela mase kubulindo kuhle emtshali bafethu. Kwezinye izindaba engiyithole namhlanje kuthiwa Stellenbosch FC have agreed to sign i-defender lase-Azerbaijan. Yabo uTuran Manafov ona 26 years old uchoose ujoin iStelies over iRomanian side. Yabo he is set to join on a free transfer after his contract with iKapaz PFK expired. Umjita ke bafethu ohlabedlala le eEurope uzojoina iStelies. iStelies ngempela scout ngempela umuntu okwi-scouting department iStelies wenza umsebenzi oncomeka kakhulu angifuni uqamba amanga. Kwezinye izindaba engiyitholile the newly promoted Betway Premiership side iDurban City FC is reportedly interested in former Golden Arrows defender uSicelo Kuhle Hlatshwayo. Yabo umjita uzojoina iDurban City asazi ideal izoconclude nini but ke iDurban City iyamfuna lo mjita lo usathanda kushiya kwiGolden Arrows.